it's impossible to observe a Jewish holiday like Yom Kippur by yourself. It just doesn't work. You have to be with other people. And I think that's a characteristic that's very important. Jews have societies of one kind or another. That simply comes from the Eastern European experience. But you had to have some kind of structure that in which you could help people, you could make sure that they were taken care of, you know, the widows and children kind of thing. But it really has, it's just impossible to be a Jew on your own. I'm convinced of that now. It just is, especially if you have a family. I mean, what are you going to, you can't live on chicken soup. And that's really a problem, I think, for a lot of people. Or that Seder that isn't really a Seder, where everybody's sort of waiting to eat kind of thing. You just can't, that's not transferable. That's simply not transferable. The dishes are. But the whole reason for it being and why you're together and all of that is not transferable if you don't do it.